We were overwhelmed by the number of people that we've seen at every stage of the event, the outstanding job that Medalist Sports and the state of Missouri have done, and we're really excited to be here with this event.
It's bringing in a lot of people from outside of the state who have a big interest in racing, and we were told just a moment ago that there wasn't a hotel room within 100 miles of St. Louis. That's good for business.
Big challenge coming over on the left-hand side, but look at the man in the yellow jersey accelerating down the yellow line, right down the middle. He's looking for the finishing line, and it's not going to come too soon for Cavendish. He's opening up right down the middle there. He's challenging the big man from Norway, Tor Hushoff. He's putting him into second position. There it goes, win number 2 for Cavendish.